again, like I really stress this because I feel like so many people fall down this hole because they want to do things that other people do, and what works for other people, you know, may just not work for you. So you're using social media to grow your business, you're posting regularly, you're following all of the rules, but you still don't see any growth. Well, have no fear, because in this video I have all of the answers that you need. As a social media strategist, a big part of my role is to study social media. So guess what? I spend a lot of time on Instagram, a lot of time on TikTok, and I spend a lot of time watching YouTube videos. I see a whole lot of trends, but I'm not talking about the trends you think I'm talking about, not the funny dancing type of trends. I'm talking about something completely different. I see a recurring set of mistakes being made by business owners just like you. Even during my one-on-one coaching calls, I realized that so many business owners get choked up on the exact same things. All of the things that I'm going to address in this video. Speaking of my one-on-one coaching calls, I'm actually working on a little behind the scenes footage for y'all right now, because a lot of people have been asking about what I do and how I do it, and they want to see me actually work with a one-on-one client. So that's what I have in the works for you. I'm super duper excited about it, and if you are just as excited as I am, I want you to drop the secret word Twinkies in the comment section down below. I want you to understand that I'm here today to address a few of these mistakes because I want your business to flourish on social media. I want your notifications to blow up, and I want you to market your business on social media the right way and have fun while doing so. I want to go over a few things that are probably preventing you from making all of that happen, okay? And the very last one is the ultimate game changer. It is the one that has helped my business by turning followers into loyal, engaged clients. Here's the deal. In this video, I'm going to go over all of the things that you're doing wrong, but it's important for you to know what you can do instead, and I'm not going to give you one without the other. So to get your hands on this free guide, okay, all you have to do is click in the description box below and download a free copy of my online marketing roadmap. So let's go. The first reason why your business is not growing on social media is because you're spending too much time worrying about the wrong things. Yes, you. After you hear me out, if you feel like any of this resonates with you, if I am describing you, if it hits close to home, let me know in the comment section down below. But you're spending a lot of time on the wrong things. Here's what I mean. You want to get a photo shoot. You want to have a website. You want to have a logo. You want to have 20 pieces of content already in the tuck so you can just publish all at one time. You want to have everything already together, okay? Sometimes it just does not work like that, and I am a walking witness of that. I have been doing this for quite some time. Of course, it started off as a side hustle, then it turned into an actual business, but I still do not have a logo. Now, am I encouraging you to never get a logo for your business? No, that's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is sometimes it's best to just go ahead and get started and transition and grow into all of these things. Don't think that you have to have everything figured out in the beginning, because nobody is expecting you to have everything figured out in the beginning. The best advice somebody gave me was to start messy, and that is exactly what I did, and I just learned so much along the way, and I continue to educate myself. But don't let all of the limiting beliefs, don't let all of the worries, the numbers, the vanity metrics, the surface level things, don't worry about all that stuff. Just get started, just start posting your videos. Now, the thing about number two, a lot of you hear lots of social media marketers say this exact same thing. Like, we literally pound this into your head. You have got to be consistent. A lot of business owners fail with social media marketing because there is lack of consistency, not just in the posting, but there's lack of consistency in the messaging. Okay, so as far as lack of consistency when it comes to your messaging, you just need to have a content strategy, and that's going to help you solve that problem. But as far as lack of consistency in your posting, let's talk about this for just a brief second, because I feel like a lot of people got this wrong. Like, you need to be present. You do. Daily. I strongly don't believe you have to have, like for Instagram, for example, I don't believe you have to have a reel or wall post every day, okay? Because again, I don't really use Instagram to grow. I use Instagram to nurture I always say that word wrong, to nurture my current followers, my current clients, my current community. That's what I use that platform for. Versus like TikTok, I do use that platform to grow. So I use it just a tad bit different. Over there, depending on what phase or stage you are in your growth, you might need to be posting daily or multiple times a day. They even have a story option now, okay? But the point is, just be consistent. Find a schedule that works for you. Think about you as a business owner. Think about your capacity, your obligations, your duties, all the things that go on in your day-to-day life, and sit down and, like, if you have to write it out and ask yourself, like, how often can I post? You know, don't go off of what your favorite creator is doing. Do what works for you. I promise you that's the best thing that you can do. Next reason your business is not growing on social media is because you take it too serious and you're not having fun. I really cannot wait to get to this one because I have so much fun creating these videos. I really do. Not only because it is a way, like a digital medium, for me to be able to educate you guys out there and help you like I'm doing now in this video, but it's also a way for me to like showcase my creativity. And one thing that I can say about this, like this that I'm building here, nobody can take this away from me. So of course, I want to document. I want to have fun along the way. I want to entertain my audience, okay? Statistics have shown time and time and time again. I'm gonna put an article up here if I can find one later, but most people come to social media because they want to be entertained, okay? So you as a business owner, along with educating and inspiring, you need to have a little bit of entertainment, you know, sprinkled in the mix. Find what works for you. Again, like I really stress this because I feel like so many people fall down this hole because they want to do things that other people do, and what works for other people, you know, may just not work for you. So you really have to find what does, like stick with it and keep it going. And if it doesn't work, the beauty of social media, okay, the beauty of it all, you can just start over. You can just do something again. You can just keep trying and trying and testing until you hit that sweet spot. So build a business, yes, but please have more fun. Now it's time for the ultimate game changer. This is the one that I told you guys about in the beginning of this video. Drum roll, please. I know, a little dramatic, but I'm so serious because this is really how I feel about this one. This one has really helped when it comes to just connecting with my followers on a different level outside of social media, just making them feel that much more closer to me, and then just finding out ways that I can help them. This is email marketing. And I know a lot of the times when I mention email marketing to different business owners, especially like startups, they feel like they don't need it or they think it's too convoluted, so they stay away from it. But the truth is, it is a necessity when growing an online business. Why? Because we don't own the social media platforms. They can shut down at any given time. They've done that before. You know, Instagram blacked out for like a day or whatever, and everybody was on TikTok making videos about it. But then the ones who don't have a TikTok, they only have Instagram. They were SOL pretty much because they didn't have an email list. All they had was Instagram. So that should have been like a wake-up call to let you know, yes, I need to go ahead and start building an email list. I need to educate myself on how to do it. I need to figure out how it's done. So good thing for you, I've already did that for you. I have lots of videos on my channel when it comes to getting started with email marketing. One in particular being how to get it all going, how to set it up. I use an email service called ConvertKit. I talked about this on my TikTok channel the other day. It is great for startups. It's great for beginners. It is so user-friendly, and it has lots of flexibility when it comes to capturing information and building landing pages, you know, quick landing pages, okay? It gets the job done. And again, that's called ConvertKit. No, this is not sponsored, but I really do love the tool, and I suggest you go try it out for yourself. Now, I know a lot of you say, well, if I start my email list, you know, how do you actually grow it? How do you promote it? How do you do all of this? Okay, I know those are burning questions. I hear them all the time. Once I get somebody to actually, you know, get it up and going, then they want to know, how do I get people to join? Okay, so if that is you and you have that very same question, what I want you to do is watch this video on your way out, because in this video I tell you the exact strategies that I use to get TikTok to grow my email list. And I promise you, it is easier than you think. So go watch that video while you wait for next week's video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment below, like, comment, share, all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye-bye.